Congratulations! Now you can write and read any Korean. Hi guys, I'm Aron from Korea. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you guys how to write Korean. Last time, I thought about how to read Korean. If you don't know how to read Korean and if you missed my last Korean lesson, I recommend watch my last video before watching this. Then, you can read any Korean in 5 minutes. And it will be easier to understand it. Okay, let's focus on how to write Korean. Let's start. This is Korean alphabet, hangul. Do you remember? We have 14 consonants and 10 vowels. Today, we are going to write that. Let's do it together. My handwriting is not that pretty, but I will try to do my best, so please understand. Okay, let's start. First, I'm going to teach about consonant. This is G, G sound. Right like this, right? And left a little curved line. This is N, N sound. Right like this. Go down and right. It's easy. This is Tigit, D sound. Right like this. Right and down and right. This is Lil, L sound. We write like this. Right. Go down a little. Right again. And go down a little again. And right. This is M sound. Right like this. Go down. Right. Down. And right. This is B sound. Right like this. Go down, down again. Right, right. Next, this is short, S sound. Right like this. This is O. It doesn't have a sound. Only when using the final position it makes a sound, N sound. It's like English alphabet O, just make a circle. This is J, J sound, right like this. It's similar to G sound, just add one line. Like this. This is T, CH sound. This is upgrade one from J sound. Just add a short line from J sound. Like this. This is K sound. This is upgrade one from G sound. Just add a short line from G sound. This is T sound. This is upgrade one from D sound. Same as a short line from this sound. This is p, p sound. Right, like this. Right, down, down, right. This is hum, h sound. Right, like this. Right, and right. Make a circle. Finish it. And you finished more than half of Korean alphabets. Now, there's only vowels left. Vowel is easier than consonant. They are just lines. This is ah. Ah. Right, like this. Down. Right. This is ya. 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 Down. Right. And right. This is o. 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 Right. Down. This is yo. 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 Right. And right. Down. This is o. O. Down. Right. This is yo. Yo. Down. Down. Right. See, it's easy. This is u. 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 Right. Down. This is u. 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 Right. Down. And down. This is u. Just through one line, that's it. This is e. E. Just down. Finish it. You finish all of Korean letters. Good job. Congratulations. Now you can write and read any Korean. Good job. Don't forget to practice. This is my real Korean handwriting. Not that pretty. So, you can write better than me. And if you want to know something about Korea, let me know. Let me in the comments. Anything is okay. Then I will answer and I will make videos about that. Okay, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more. Okay, thanks you guys. See you later.